Hello, beauty queens. I am beyond excited to be leaving for Boston tomorrow. I am so grateful for everything. This 2018 has been a great year, but 2019 is already looking out to be an even better one. I'm so excited. Obi's running around. She's having a blast and has no idea she's going to be with Gina all week. But before I get started, eat, pray, hustle. I love this cup. Obi wants to play. We got lots of new toys for her. But the real reason we are here is because of the box that Obigail opened before me and got to, that contained all of these goodies from Rejuva Minerals. Rejuva Minerals is an amazing brand that agreed to send me out some goodies. And so I wanted to showcase those here today with you. The first thing in the bag is a high def buki, like a Kabuki brush. And as you can see, like, I'm so excited. These are my favorite kind of brushes. I got a couple powders. It looks like I have 3. Saint-Tropez, Shade Seashell, and Sand. What a coinkydink that I'm going to Bermuda and I'm going to be in all of this, and it's really great. So excited to open these up and see how they look and feel. The box is super beautiful and I'm loving the flower, and these are EWG verified. They're vegan, gluten-free, and they're free from common skin irritants. And this is a sheer to medium base. Each one comes with this little powder puff that can go inside. This kind of untwists like so. Kind of comes off on the top like that. And then I can do a little swatch for you and show you how light it is. It is a very, very light powder that is very buildable. It doesn't smell like anything. And you want to use this with a cleanse and moisturized face. You want to apply foundation dry with either the Kabuki brush or a powder puff in light layers. So you can use this if you have drier skin over top, but I think this is going to be really nice to build on top of the Beauty Counter foundation. So because they're so close in color, I don't think they're gonna be too different. So I don't. What, baby? Are you gonna give me the toy? I also have a lipstick here, a Mega Lash. I asked them to send me the lash, the mascara, because I was really excited. This is Plum Punch. It's 100% naturally derived, and there's oils, butters, jojoba, sunflower, coconut, and shea butter in here. Again, beautiful, fun packaging. And let me see if I can open this without my scissors. Maybe I can use my little tweezers here. Oh, we just went outside. Ah. Never use your teeth, you guys. There we go. Okay, so I got it open. Ooh, it reminds me of Chanel. Love this. Super cute packaging. I love the gold and the black. And as you can see, really beautiful color. It's very soft. Again, this doesn't smell like anything, but it is very beautiful. I love the idea. This is USDA organic. This stuff is good. I love that they sent me these. Cannot wait to try this mascara. I'm gonna do a live demo for you guys right now. The expiration date is in 2020, which is pretty cool. This is in the color Midnight, so it's black. And again, the packaging is really cute. It says thickening and lengthening with conditioning, cotton extracts, and avocado. Love this gorgeous packaging. How cute is this? It's a really heavy feeling bottle. And I have no mascara on my bottom lashes, so we're gonna give that a shot. It goes on really, really nicely. There isn't really a scent to this one either, which is good. You don't really want to smell fragrance in cosmetics because it's usually synthetic, and it's better if it's a natural. It just smells natural. So as you can see, this is just one layer and it's super buildable. It's very soft. And I really do love the way that it looks. I know my lashes are a little funky. I'm going to get them filled tomorrow. Don't judge. But thank you guys for this. One last thing. This is a concealer. This is a loose powder. So again, it's vegan, gluten-free, and it comes in a different looking package and container. And you twist this one off and it looks like this. This one does not look like it comes with a powder puff unless we can use that in there. But I'm guessing that this is just a milled down consistency of that one. This feels very, very fine. And I'm really, really excited to use a powder because Beautycounter does not have any colored tinted powders, which I think are really great for building and all of that. So I'll be taking these in on my trip with me. So I'm going to use the new brush with one of the colors. I feel like I am right now probably the lightest, which looks like it might be sand. So I'm going to just go in here with the, can you stop those? So it's really easy to take off, and then you can just press into the powder. Beautiful. I've never really worn foundation like this. I usually always wear a base of, you know, liquid. But you can see this side compared to that side. It is much smoother. It looks really beautiful. And I'm so glad that I tried this. I can't wait for Rejuva Minerals to come on to our podcast. Yay! Stay tuned. Check out the Clean Beauty podcast. Make sure you review it, rate, and subscribe so that you can stay up to date with the latest in clean beauty. So this is the lipstick. It has a sheen to it, like a pearlescent sheen, that I'm not generally a fan of, but it's so pretty for the holidays that I'm definitely taking this and wearing for my holiday party this year. I also went in and opened up the darker color. This is the Sand, and this is Saint-Tropez. And with Saint-Tropez, I did a little bit of a contour around my face, down the sides of my nose, and then on my cheeks. And it actually looks really good. And if you wanted to, because I look a little like kind of bare, you can take, or I don't know, I just feel like I need a little bit of blush. You can take the lipstick, just dab your middle finger or ring finger, and just kind of dab the product on. And you really usually want to match your lip and your blush anyway. And because this has a nice sheen, you're kind of getting a highlight and a blush in one. And this will work more as a stain. And if you really want your lipstick to last and you're going to be kissing, what you can do is grab a piece of tissue, fold it in half, blot, do it again. And now you have more of a stain. So it's not really going to come off on your date or your whoever you're kissing, or a wine glass or anything like that. So you have more of a matte look. But as you can see, this cheek definitely looks better than this one, and I haven't even really blended it out yet. If you want to, you could also do it this way if you're a little bit more daring and you know how to blend and you're not afraid of the color or the product. But this is a great way to just kind of buff it into your skin, and now you have like a rosy glow, and it's super pretty. And it depends on your cheeks. Like if you're not smiling, I know a lot of people say to smile and then put on your blush, but what about when you're not smiling? So you kind of want to keep it high, and I try to just stay right on my cheekbone. I feel like that looks the best on me. But if you have really, really full cheeks right here, you might want to keep it in the round area, or if you have a round face. It depends on your style. So if you have questions, definitely reach out. But I'm really loving these products and I'm so happy about them, and yay! I really love that this is also a water resistant mascara. I'm going to be in the ocean in Bermuda, so I'll be testing this mascara there. So I know I will definitely give you guys an update on the podcast and share all of my feedback on how I liked it in the tropics and how it worked for me. So yay. This is just so fun. I can't wait to order more products from Rejuva Minerals. Love, love, love. Gorgeous.